Hi, in this video I will show you how to put together the free butterfly Gable box, which is a free SVG from Simply Crafty SVGs. So here are all the pieces for this little free Gable box that you can make. I already put these together, so this is how that goes together. So it'll layer like this to make the little butterfly, and then it'll go on the panels like this. And then I also have these, so I embossed them so they just center on each of the sections, and then these side pieces. So let me show you how I won't put these on quite yet. Oh, and these little pieces are the remnants of this. So I thought it would be fun to take these and you can either put them on the side or you can put them on the top. You can add them to the box in one shape, some shape, form, shape, whatever. So the way this goes together, just make sure you have them the right way so you see three colors. So the one with the biggest openings on the front, and the next one. So we can go from the front to back or back to front. So we'll go from the back, start on the back one, and then we'll put glue on this piece. Don't put it on the other one because you have a bigger opening on this one. You just want to lightly line them up. So you can start from the bottom. Like, just don't apply a whole lot of pressure. You're just trying to line it up on the top of that open area. And you can kind of reach in and make sure they're lined up on the sides. That was off a little bit. And then the next one the same way. If it shows a little bit on the edge, I just inked it a little bit if you don't want all the layers to show. You see I'm just kind of lining it up to the top of that cutout. And then you can kind of fill around the edges there and get it aligned to the edges, outside edges. Then I would just go ahead and ink the edges here. So if it's off a little bit, something showing, go ahead and ink it. It is lined up perfectly, technically. It's just a matter of you getting it lined up yourself. So now we'll go ahead and add these panels. So I think I'll do this one on this side. So we'll just center it. And with all the layers, it's kind of thick now, so we want to put it on before we close the box. The box is actually rather simple. It's just one tab that we glue, and the rest of it's no glue. And let's go ahead and center these rest of these panels. Did I say pandals? That's a new word. So I just had this paper, this pattern paper in my stash, so I thought I'd just give it a try. And it's funny, this is not American Crafts textured paper. I actually don't know what paper this is. It could be like a Stampin' Up! Real close to my heart. I had it in my stash, and it's from a while ago. So what's nice about this box is that it could lay flat. Like, you can make a bunch of them and lay flat because of the no glue closure on the bottom, and then just get them set to go when you're ready. And you could use this, you know, I like to give fairly decent freebies out just because I know how it is when you're crafting and you don't have a whole lot of money. So it's nice that you could actually use this box without the butterfly if you wanted. You could just use the side panels, or you could put a solid panel on there, just get the size you want and put it on there. So you could actually do a lot with freebies. It's just a matter of thinking of it. So that's almost done. We're just going to go ahead and add glue to the side tab here. Fold it over, and we're going to line up this edge to the tab fold. And then, like I said, it's thick because we have so many layers on that layered. So just make sure it's good and secure there, and just double checking inside. So it's good for a small gift or something like that. So we're going to go ahead, whenever you have a closure, or at least on my closures, we're going to do the forks in first, and then the side. And then we are going to flip this in, just kind of flip it under. Now, the one you see, I made that little flip thing a little bit longer. So, there it is. I mean, it's not going to hold something really heavy, but amazingly, these closures are pretty strong. So that's it. It's just ready to close. So you could theoretically stick these on, glue these on top on each side. If you wanted to make it symmetrical, you want to close them and glue them on. I'm not going to, or I just wanted to show you what you could do with the extra piece. Or you could do a different color. I'm only using the extra, but you wouldn't have a different color. But you could always ink it a little bit or emboss it for it to pop out like that. Or don't use it at all. So it is the excess. And so these just fold down like that. So it scores, and then it scores in. And then you put them together. Push it down gently to close it. And there it is. A little butterfly Gable box. So if you do like our freebies and this project or this project, please give me a little thumbs up below. I would appreciate you not giving a thumbs down, but if you have to, if you're disappointed or something's not working, just email me. There's a contact form on the website, and or subscribe. I appreciate you taking the time to check us out, and thank you so much for watching.